Shit! Look at the headlights on that Chevy. Here. Yeah. What? Ooh. Oh, there we go. Hello? No. I thought you had my floor jack. What? Shit, no. I've never tried using a bike pump on an air mattress. Well, I reckon that might work. Oh. Yeah. Only twice and once, but that don't count because I was drunk. Don't argue with me. Now listen, you see, I was gonna phone you and tell you about this damn microwave thing Charlene left behind, and you know, hell, if I'd have known that, you know what? Hold on, I think I want to grab myself a bite to eat. Oh, don't argue, sassy. Delicious. I like it. A ring right there. In 20 seconds. Make that work smooth. Hell, it's too thin. Reminds me much of Charlene's cooking. I ain't gonna have it. No. Hey. No, it didn't turn out good. No. I think George Foreman done better. No. Well, you know Charlene, she pays too much stuff anyway. Pays way too much for stuff. And this, look, I wouldn't even put it in my mouth. Right? Well, you wouldn't either. Well, okay. All right. You too.